Hello everyone. I am Sai Chandru. Uh, I think you remember me. I am one of the project member for the project clinical messaging and alert platform. So the project it's a time to end up our project. So like the time to close our project for the college purpose. So now, but before closing, I'm going to explain my journey with these guys who involved in our project and also explain my journey with supervisor and with college staff and with the clients. So first of all, as I'm a student in the Federation University, one of my friend Uha Maikota uh, teamed up with me to do a project. As you know, some of the uh, uh, corporate members like from from the industry, from the IT industry, and she bought the project from the Marcus Singh. He is one of the founder and CEO of Incata Solutions, uh, and she teamed up with me. She explained the project with me, and while when I listened that project, and I was got excited because we are doing the project with AI, artificial intelligence. So it is a rare project which we got, and I thankful to Uha who bought the project. And in the same way, I got one of my friends Sweta, and she is good at she's very sharp and she is good at documentation and she is good at explaining the things and she got some she got good IQ and while coming to the Mohsin, he is a friend of he's a good friend and he is very creative and he can explain everything and he can grasp everything and he try to explain in the simple way. So like these are my team members. Like we teamed up and we got we started our project. There are many troubles came in our journey. Like while for like when we started the project, uh, uh, the CEO of the uh, company in Kata wanted like uh, front end. They already have the AI logic and it should we need to catch that data which already created from them and we need to show them to the users like doctors, many doctors. So that is our project. We are not much involved in the like this AI, but we got freedom in developing the front end and the API. So first of all, this is the simple app, but little bit complicated. And uh, when we started the project, our supervisor also like I want to explain about my supervisor. He's a very good at technical knowledge and he like when we started listening when we started doing and he listened to our project and he questioned us many in many ways like different scenarios and different things and while listening to him we shocked we didn't we recognize many different scenarios. We did not recognize firstly but while listening to him we got recognized that there are many ways and that we need to do many things and we are thankful to him. Like firstly we didn't understand him, but when we are in the deep when we are in the depth of the project and when we are depth into the coding, we understood him like what the scenarios explain and what the challenges we are going to face. He just predicted the challenges we are going to face. So we thankful him and we overcome that challenges and so we started the project and when we started the project, Uhamai suggested to take the front end as a React Native and back end as a Node.js. But the thing is that we got Tomcat as a server, which is not compatible with Node.js. But so I argued with her and I took Tomcat, I took JavaScript as a backend, but and we started the project and she did the React front end with some without functionalities up to sprint one, and I have did JavaScript to some functionalities with Tomcat server as a backend. But as the project going on, we face some difficulties. Like it is not React Native is not fully compatible with JavaScript. So I thought she was correct. I am wrong, and I replaced and I got in her way, and I replaced JavaScript with Node.js. But the thing is that Node.js consists of Express server. So I have explored many. I have explored Node.js in different ways, and there is a way that can connect with Tomcat server. So I did proxy to the Tomcat server with Node.js. So it worked. It worked, and like it is compatible, like server API front end, and in the same way we have connected the database. We have faced many like difficulties what the database we need to choose. So uh, finally we have choose MongoDB as a database because it is no SQL it is no SQL language, and we can put the data in different formats, not a particular like different tables, not like tables, and it is like a documents. We can put it like a text or like paragraphs, something like that. So, and the project started, and this is for the sprint one. For the sprint two, we made the functionalities for the front end and as well as the back end. So Ohamai gave her with a beautiful design, and I made it the functionalities with fetch methods, and I have connected to the back end, and I also connected with the database. And now the challenges comes here. The thing is that the main purpose of this app is to receive the notifications from the server, and we are not have any idea like how the notification should be displayed, what the front end should be like that. And as our one of our teammates Sweta is very sharp at these things, and she gave an idea to how the notification should be look and how it should be function. So while I listened to her, and like I accepted I accepted the thing, and I try to overcome to complete the challenge, and finally it was completed in the sprint 2. And while coming to the sprint 3, it is like we got messages, we are getting notifications from the back end, that is from the database, and in the same way uh, we are we need to delete notifications within 24 hours. It is a big task. Actually, we didn't see any that scenario in any other apps, so it is like little bit innovative. And it is and the sprint 3 has been arrived, so we need to do within 1 or 2 days to complete the sprint 3. So we as a group we thought around we spent around like 8 hours a day for 2 or 3 days, and finally we got the logic and we put it in the back end and front end. So we we completed the task in the same way. Like we completed the task, and we showed our app to our like it is not a fully developed app, but we showed our like 90% app to our client who gave us app, and he was fully surprised by seeing that app. And he gave green signal to proceed for further development to that app. And as is not only just like a social media app, it is like app to the some of the doctors who can consult the patients without like by without any hardness of finding the patients who are in the difficult situations, as AI is going to process those situations, as it is a technology, so that it can predict the things from the past data. Like the patient will have some past data, so AI will predict those things, and will send it to will send it to the front end. So it is like I thought it is like mandatory it is like mandatory app for the doctors, and so they can consult the patient without any like searching for the patients who are in the difficulties. So it is a good app. And moreover, one of I gonna tell about Mosin. And actually I have developed the app, but we need to test the thing. That is the difficult task. We need to test the thing in difficult scenarios, and we need to test the app with unit test, module test, and some many testing. Like he know everything about this thing, but the thing it will be possible only if we sat together with the and we sat together, and we worked in a single system. But it is not like presently it is hard times, and we are in the COVID situation right now. So we did not meet personally, and we did not work in the same system, but we worked through online, like by using the Skype and putting the code into the big bucket. And we have used some different tools to get in touch and to get work together continuously. And uh, and Mosin asked me every time, like when he was trying to testing the app. Like he made a video call, and he used to share my screen. And he's such a sharp guy, and he used to test the app in a different scenario, so that it should not be face any errors of even after the development of the app. Uh, so I think he accomplished his task without any errors, and that's a good thing. Now we can see we can found our apps with no errors. And so this is our team with a good knowledge, and a good grasping power. So I and we are happy that our CEO has made a green signal. So I hope that our this team will be in contact with after this project, and we're gonna complete the thing. Uh, that's the thing. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and thank you my teammates, and thank you my supervisor, and thanks to my client who gave us the project. Thank you.